Hi, I'm Dr. Kari Harsh with Allegheny Hearing and Balance. Today we're going to do a video on insertion and removal of a custom in the canal hearing aid. Now, custom hearing aids do come in various shapes and sizes. Some are large and fill up the entire bowl of the ear. Some are quite small and fit very deeply in the ear canal. So I tried to find a happy middle ground for the video today. Hopefully you find it helpful. Again, as always, if you have any questions after the video is over, give the office a call and we're happy to go back over those things with you. Here we go. All right, on our little ITC hearing aid, this is the canal portion that goes into the opening of your ear, and this is the faceplate of the device that faces the outside world. When I'm putting a hearing aid in, I like to put my index finger on top of the faceplate and my thumb on the bottom. And if we show you the orientation here, the thumb is usually near the air vent on the bottom of that faceplate. There is some writing on the shell as well, and you want that pointed straight out away from you when you're putting the hearing aid in. One mistake that folks make is turning their wrist as they bring the hearing aid back to their ear. You want to make sure you keep that wrist and hand nice and straight so that writing keeps facing away from you as you're putting the hearing aid in. You're going to place the tip into the ear canal opening, kind of wiggle. You might need to twist a little bit as that hearing aid slides into place. Here's another angle. Again, keeping that writing facing out away from you. Place the tip into the ear canal and let that hearing aid slide right into place. Now, some people have fairly bendy ear canals or a sharp bend or a different shape to their ear. If you use your opposite hand, you can reach and pull the back part of your ear up and back towards the back of your head. That can help straighten out the ear canal and make it a little bit easier to slide that hearing aid into place. And to take the hearing aid out, yours may have a removal line or pull cord, but you want to twist the hearing aid forwards a bit as you pull it out. I tend to just put my fingernail or finger under the back part of the hearing aid, again twisting forwards a bit to help it come out a little more easily. And as always, if you have any questions about the video or about your particular style of hearing aid, if you feel you need more in-person practice, just give us a call. Our audiologists are here to help and make sure that you're getting what you need. Thanks, and have a great day.